my assistant right here. I told him you're my right-hand man now. You're doing good. Just now we were recording in Thai, and then as soon as we're done recording, he was like, "Hey, bro, you want me to tell you good news or the bad news?" Yeah, I have both. Which one you want first? I was like, "Tell me the bad news first." He's like, "No, I'll tell you the good news first." I'm like, "What?" He's like, "You get to say like and subscribe again." I'm like, "What's the bad news?" He's like, "I forget to record." Fuck you, man! I suck at Thai. I want to drive.
That was nice. That was nice.
Okay, guys, so I thought we don't shoot this one in the studio and shoot while I'm driving. So the story of how I land a campaign with Mercedes Benz for 6 Mercedes in 1 month, which is pretty crazy. Not high as a photographer, but more like a brand ambassador, influencer type of thing. Regardless. So here's a story of how I was capable of landing this campaign for Mercedes. Recently I just got a call from Mercedes Benz Thailand, and the assistant of the big boss was saying that I got something for you. I would send you the email. Would you take this campaign? It's 6 car. The boss is gonna call and brief you. I was like, yes, please. Keep in mind, this is the yes, pandemic please. Time, right? So like, not a lot of people's getting a job and stuff. So basically, it all started when I had no job back in the day when COVID hit, and I want to work with Mercedes so bad, and I have been shooting for a dealership called TTC here in Thailand, which I landed a lot of good pictures, up my skills on light painting a lot, but I still haven't worked with Mercedes Benz Thailand. So I've always wanted to work with Mercedes Benz Thailand because I live here in Thailand. So I kept on tagging Mercedes. Little do I know, USA, Mercedes Canada, Mercedes Canada, Mercedes Russia, Mercedes Italy, Mercedes German, Mercedes Berlin, AMG Academy, all official page started using my photo except Thailand. So I was like, how do I work with Mercedes in Thailand? Because I'm not there right now. I was in Germany. I would have worked with Mercedes Benz Berlin or Mercedes Benz Dutch Stuttgart. So I kept on asking who's responsible, who's in charge of this, and they told me, you got to get at this one guy. I don't think I'm gonna say his name here, but the guy runs the Mercedes Benz marketing division here in Thailand. Sorry if I said the wrong title, but asked my friend in the higher up to send my profile, my proposal, and everything. Man, it went there. He said thank you. That was it. No reply. A month later, asked, bro, is there any update? No reply. Nothing. I was like, man, what is this guy's first name and last name? What is his real name? So I found out by asking people, and I started DMing him on Instagram. We started talking, here and there, exchanging message. So that was the beginning of kind of like the relationship that we have formed and where we're going right now. Until one day I saw a blue GT in the racetrack on his story. So I DM him like, bro, where is this? I'll take this picture. Let me take this session. I'll do it for free. Text me back. He goes, we're at Chang International Circus. Do you want to come, bro? We can accommodate you with food and a combination. Now here's the twist. There was COVID. I had no fucking cash at that time. My wife just came back from China. We couldn't get the money out from China. I shit you not, I have about $30 in my wallet, in my bank account at that time. But driving there was like a 700-kilometer drive, right? The car wouldn't make it, so I called my dad. I'm like, Dad, yo, I gotta go to this race circus. It's called Chang International Circus. I didn't know what I was doing at the circus or what they invited me for. To see the car, to drive the car, to test the car, or to take the photos. I'm guessing to take some photos, right? So I went there, borrowed $40 from my dad. It was enough for my car to go back and forth, and maybe enough for Starbucks. We ended up getting McDonald's. So, anyways, we went there, and it was like the track was full of like news reporter and journalists. I'm like, what the hell am I supposed to do? At that time, I got this lens from TT Artisan, which looked kind of like Leica lens. So that was like everybody started swarming, and little did I know, people actually know my Instagram from tagging Benz and all the pictures. Met the guy, started talking to him. My girlfriend was sick upstairs. She didn't come down to the party downstairs, the gala dinner. But we started vibing that night. Start sending him the picture I took from the track. So that was the beginning of the relationship that we started forming with the head of, the man himself. Kept on asking him until I think recently 2020 Winter Motor Show came, and I got that campaign off my assistant right here. So I started getting that campaign, and then they saw the value in this. But I was like, man, it's not really my style. You know what I mean? Like, I take car out, I start shooting car on the street. That's more my vibe. That's more my style. If you guys don't know, just go check out my IG. Here's the link. And believe it or not, from that day of having $30 in my pocket and DMing him, not to the point that you annoyed him, but DMing him, commenting on the Mercedes, keep on showing up at work, keep on posting the picture that I have from that previous track, because I shot shitloads of pictures, and keep on working with cars, to the point where about 2 weeks ago, keep in mind this is pandemic time, nobody got a job, it's July, 2021, Thailand is on lockdown. I got a call in the car from his assistant. She goes, Mike, I got a campaign for you, it's light painting, would you want to take it? We got 6 Mercedes for you. I was like, yes, please. Hopefully it's on my terms. She said, well, do you shoot in the studio or you shoot outside? I said, I shoot outside. I'm gonna need Audie's car for at least 3 or 4 days in case it rained. We need to find location, whatnot. I already kind of had the number in mind of how much they were gonna give me, and it was quite a good number for what it is in the pandemic right now. They said the exact number, made the contract, sent it to them, sign it. I got this campaign, so that's how I landed this 6-car digital media / influencer campaign, right? So I just wanted to tell you guys that there's gonna be days that you don't have money, you don't have cash, you don't even know how to get to like this other province in Thailand, which you've never been to, as far away as hell. Ask somebody, man. If you got your dad, your mom, your girlfriend, your sister, your best friend, ask. And don't try to milk it out of them, just ask for it so it's enough money for you to get back and forth. I knew that day was gonna pay off. I just didn't know how or when it was gonna pay off. For me, it paid off a little bit early, but I put in these work a while with car, and I never stopped, even when there was pandemic and we were shooting Lamborghinis. Private clients, right? Because like the dealership wasn't gonna shoot us when we went to private clients. So I guess my point is today is just like keep on hustling. That's gonna be the time that you fail. Correct your fucking mistake. Go at it again. Go at it with class and go at it. Try to contact the right people. It all happens in the DMs, man. But go at it responsibly. Like I'm responsible for 6 Mercedes here. It's not like I'm gonna go drive it like extra fast and go, just take it everywhere. I'm gonna create great content, so I will keep on continuing to work with them and work with Mercedes Global soon. That's the message I wanted to give to you guys today. So yeah, keep on hustling, stay humble, and work smart, man. Get at it with the right person, and when time get hard, make lemonade, bruh. Make lemonade. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope this helped. And if you guys want to know a tip and trick on how I shoot these cars, I'm gonna have tutorials and course out real soon. Ask me any question, and I'll see you on the next one, man. Hopefully this story inspired you guys. If not a little, a lot. Like, subscribe, follow me on IG too, man. Peace. See you on the next one. Boom.